Guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are in beautiful Sinalunga today. Sinalunga is right here in Tuscany. It's really maybe about 15 minutes from Torrita di Siena. So as much as we love Torrita, we wanted to come check out Sinalunga. I can say it's a beautiful town with a gorgeous piazza. We're gonna go take a look at the old town. But one of the best things about Sinalunga is the shopping. There is so much shopping here. It's absolutely incredible. So let's take a look. Hi guys, we were just visiting with the owners of Angelo Fiorito. This is a beautiful home decor store where you can get just about anything for the home and some really beautiful jewelry. I am talking to them a little bit about putting some of my art in the store there, and they're willing, so that's really exciting. It's a beautiful store. You have to come check it out.